Hello everyone, I am Divya Sampat Chakor and I have completed my graduation from KJ College of Engineering Management and Research. From my college, I got placed into QSpiders as an incubation student. I chose the course of Java Full Stack Development. So coming to QSpiders since February, it was really a very good experience. I got to learn Java from basics, right from starting of notepad, and after that installing the how to run Java on command prompt as well. After that SQL and HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript. So these were the subjects which I was studying in Java, QSpiders Wakad. So moreover the journey, I would like to appreciate all the trainers who were actually very good. They used to make us feel good, and also they used to teach us right from the basics, each and everything. Even if we are having any doubt, they used to clear our doubts, and then by boosting us, by saying us that to give the mocks, giving us task and all, they were always replenishing us and they were nourishing our skills in the very best way. I will say the best experience I will say I got was by giving the mocks, which boosted my confidence. Also, by because of the mocks only,